Are you kidding me? Look how adorable. They're fun. I'm told they're easy, and they're so festive. These darling Santa sandwich cookies will make a darling addition to your upcoming holiday parties. I think I've said darling at least 20 times already in the conversation, but it's justified. Studio 5 food producer Alex Daynes is here sharing the recipe for easy Santa Whoopie pie. So great to see you.
Thank you.
Are these considered like cookies, brownies? What are these?
So these are a little bit of everything because I wanted to make this recipe as simple as possible.
Thank you.
It is a busy time of year, as we all know. I'm sure we're all in the thick of it.
Yeah.
But I wanted to make this quick and easy. So traditional Whoopie pies are actually cookies, but what I did is I turned brownies, cut them out, and then made them into a sandwich cookie.
Aha.
So
okay.
it marries both worlds. And I say this all the time, I so want to be like that attention to detail person. I want to be the beautiful cookie crafter with the frosting.
Don't
that
we
just
all?
Makes the Santa
Yeah.
that looks like Santa, you know?
Yeah.
This is in my ballpark right here. This is cutesy, this is darling.
Yes, it is.
But it's like easy.
It's doable.
It's doable.
Well, let's just ride the easy train together. In our hearts, we are masterful cookie decorators.
We are. Thank you.
On the ground, we're darling. We're creating darling cookies.
We are.
That are actually brownies. And easy train ride included. You're giving us permission to use the box mix.
110%.
Great.
And why I like to use a box mix in this particular recipe is because I want to bake it in a cookie sheet or a baking sheet, a full-size baking sheet.
Yeah.
Because if you notice on the back of your box, it usually wants you to do it in 8x8 or 9x9, you know, a thick brownie. But if we're gonna spread a boxed mix like this Lehigh Mills one into a full cookie sheet, it's gonna create a thinner brownie, and then it's gonna cook faster. We're talking like 10 minutes, and then when we go to cut it out, it's much more manageable. When we stack it together, it works better. So I actually recommend using a box mix.
Love it.
For this recipe.
Did you follow package instructions?
I did.
Okay.
Just the back of the box. This one I thought worked really well. It made a beautiful cutout shape, but totally use what you can find at the grocery store.
All right, what do we do from there?
Works great. And then, so we bake that up in our cookie sheet. Again, 350. That you just want to eyeball it. I've found these half sheets when I split the box in half.
These are cute.
These are so cute.
I need a half sheet in my life.
Right? Costco right now.
Okay.
But these cooked for about 8 minutes was all it took.
Oh.
And then if you had the full sheet, it took about 10. So stay close to your oven, just watch that cook through, and really it's fast. So you get those cooked in no time at all, and then you let them chill while you make your Whoopie pie filling.
Can I start stamping?
You can start stamping,
right.
Go for it. And I'm gonna mix here, this is my butter and my cream cheese. And this mixer we found is very aggressive.
Is this the Studio 5 mixer?
This is the Studio 5 mixer.
You know as well as I do.
I do.
Possessed.
I do.
refuse to play with that mixer. And why
I bought it. The funny thing is I bought it.
I was going to say, I'm complaining to the source, I think. But
you are.
Our food producer, we might need to splurge in 2023 on a less aggressive mixer.
I know. I should have done more research.
Budget approved.
So easy. So cream cheese, butter. I'm going to add some powdered sugar. This is some heavy whipping cream. And then if you have it, I like to use a clear vanilla, just when I'm using lighter based, frostings and fillings. So it doesn't turn brown.
Yeah.
But, it's not the end of the world if all you have is regular vanilla.
Where do you get clear vanilla? Just by the regular vanilla?
All over the place. Yeah.
Okay.
Just in your grocery store. I feel like this time of year it might be a little tougher.
I'm shopping
to
for half
find
sheets.
it.
I'm shopping for
I
clear
know.
vanilla.
I didn't even realize how many things I'd add to your list.
No, this is good.
Don't let me blast you.
Okay.
We're gonna mix this together. You're doing great with the stamping, by the way.
Thank you, my friend.
That's going so well.
Okay.
And I'll get our filling mixed up here.
It's very chewy. It's very soft. You have to be a little delicate on the finger.
Exactly. But that's what I like, because that's what we love about a brownie. Is
Right.
Sometimes a cookie can be a little more dense, whereas this is gonna be softer.
Yeah.
Okay. There we have it. So we've got our filling here. You've stamped out our cookies
like
so
Santa's workshop.
Wonderfully. And I do want to mention that this obviously is a cup.
Yes.
But not only is it a cup, but this is actually a jar of like cream cheese spread that came with a lid.
Oh.
And I repurposed it and used it into a cookie cutter.
I thought you were going to say it was a baby food jar. You're getting in the zone.
You could probably do a baby food jar, absolutely. But if you don't have your cookie cutter, totally reach for what you have and repurpose it.
I see baby food jar cookies in your future. We're so excited for baby girl Daynes.
We are so excited. She made her appearance for this
TV
is
here with us.
Debut.
I love it.
So then this is so easy. We just take some of our filling here and we're going to sandwich it together. Let's use that one too. And then do we have another circle here?
Oh yes, I did cut in pairs.
You did, you read my mind. So we press it together here, and then this is the Santa part. So you can use a piping bag if you feel like it.
Okay.
If you don't want to, totally just dollop on.
I'm gonna grab a dish towel.
No, you're great. Totally just dollop on with a spoon. Sometimes I feel like piping bags are extra, but if you have them, use them.
But don't you feel fancy?
You do feel fancy.
You're the cookie maker we want to be.
Right. Look at the pretty edge that gives us.
Yeah.
And then we take a strawberry. We just cut off, obviously, the green part in the stem. And this is going to make our Santa hat.
This is so cute.
But then we need to do a dollop on top.
Look at that.
And there you have it.
Okay.
It's your Santa Whoopie. If you want to take it to the next level, because you're noticing the gnomes in the theme here.
Yes.
You can draw a little beard down the front.
Oh, that's adorable.
And then you can take an M&M.
For his little nose.
For the little gnome nose.
Oh my gosh.
And press that in there.
I'm trying to think of a word that describes this, and the word darling just comes to mind.
I wonder why.
So darling and easy, you're right,
Easy.
so easy. We can easily pull this off. Moms, grandmas on the ground, you have maybe your Santa cookie?
Absolutely.
Maybe just a treat for your holiday gathering or a just because Christmas project. Alex, thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
We will share this recipe and the video tutorial on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe tab, which should be your go-to resource this time of year. So many great treats and sweets and also hearty recipes that will serve you for any holiday occasion.